Today, we'll be taking a look at the door strike and service bulletin on this GE electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's go ahead and open up the door. Now inside, you have your door strike here. Now, as you could tell, it was a little difficult to open up your door. This door strike has actually been redesigned, so there's two reasons why you need to replace it. Either A, it is broken off here and it will not open or shut, or B, it may be the old strike, which is black like this and needs to be replaced with the gold strike. Now, in order to replace it, you'll simply remove the two Phillips screws that are holding it on. Hold on to the strike when removing the bottom one. Pull out on it, then simply reverse the process with the new gold strike, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.